Holy smokes, the hype is real, guys. Today we have a very special unboxing to do. Hey guys, Vimal here and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm super excited because we have a very special phone in the house. This one is from Infinix and this particular model was made in association with Marvel's Doctor Strange Multiverse of Madness. It was such an epic movie. How many of you people saw that in theaters? Raise your hands in the comment section down below. So the phone I'm talking about is Infinix all new Note 12 series, guys, made in association with Doctor Strange Multiverse of Madness, and they made a special collector's edition package over here. You see this, such an epic looking packaging, guys. I mean, it gives you that whole vibe of Doctor Strange magical spell books. Just look at this thing. So this is what we'll be unboxing and checking out in this video. So given a closer look at this package, you got the Infinix branding at the top side, says Note 12 series, and I believe we have the Note 12 Turbo Edition phone, guys. So I'm pretty excited to open and show it to you. And let me tell you, in the package you also get some special collector's edition Marvel goodies which you might not find anywhere else. They're exclusively made for this particular model. So over here you've got the Doctor Strange Multiverse of Madness written, and to the side also, guys, you've got the Marvel Association X Infinix. Okay, I don't want to keep you guys waiting anymore. Let's quickly unbox and check out the product. So packaging opens up like this, and as soon as you do that, guys, we've got plenty of goodies over here. Look at that collection. We've got some exclusive goodies, as I've told you, some keychains, some accessories, and also, all Marvel themed products are over here. Just have a look at this thing. This looks epic, right? So let me just show you all of these items one by one. The first thing that caught my eye is this special keychain. Have a look at this thing. This is literally a special necklace that is worn by Doctor Strange. Let's see how many of you people can actually name it. So it's basically called as Eye of Agamotto and has time stone in between. Very good quality keychain, guys. You've got the Marvel and Doctor Strange Association name mentioned everywhere over here. Pretty nice quality. And wait a second, time stone? I already have the gauntlet and a time stone in the gauntlet. Two time stones? Multiverse is real, guys. That is so crazy. I wonder what the other Vimal is doing in maybe parallel dimension. Anyways, keeping that aside, we've got a couple of soldier tags, guys, with Infinix and Doctor Strange, branding and a whole theme covered on this thing. Pretty nice. And along with that, you also have one more, a sticker sort of holder, guys. I believe this must be a pop socket, Infinix branded pop socket. And look at this thing. Now, this is what I'm talking about. A special limited edition Doctor Strange t-shirt, guys. Let me just show you. Ta-da! It says things just got out of hands. Look at this. What I'll do is I'll quickly wear it and show you how it looks like. And there you go. So how do I look? I've got the whole getup ready. I've got power gauntlet in my hand. Time stone from Doctor Strange. Eye of Agamotto. Man, looks like I'm invincible today. Pretty cool stuff, right? So let me just keep this aside. So last accessory we got is like a teacup holder, guys. Basically you put it on table surfaces, right? That is what this is. And now comes the main part, main highlight of today's video, the special edition phone from Infinix. So this is their all new Infinix Note 12 Turbo, all packed in Marvel Doctor Strange limited edition packaging, and this is what we'll be unboxing and checking out. And along with that, looks like they also bundle like a special case and screen protector as well for the phone, guys. So these are the two things which we'll be unboxing right now, and I'll be giving a complete overview on the specs, features and all that stuff. So let's have a closer look and talk about that. So here's the phone I was talking about from Infinix. They're all new Note 12 Turbo, and that too, this is a collector's edition, guys. Marvel Studios Doctor Strange in the Multiverse of Madness has a very special and unique packaging. Love the look of it. You've got the Infinix and Marvel Association mentioned everywhere, and at the back side you've got all of its main specs and highlights mentioned. The phone packs a 6.7-inch Full HD plus 1080p true color AMOLED display. It's powered by MediaTek's Helio G96 octa-core CPU, offers up to 13 gigs of RAM including virtual memory, and supports 33 watts super fast charging. And by the way, this is the 8 plus 128 GB variant. Talking about the colors, I believe this is the black color edition. Yep, this is a Force Black, also available in two other different color variants. And that is it, guys. Let's quickly get started with the unboxing. So inside we've got the actual main packaging of the box, and looks like we've got the same matter written here also. So without wasting any more time, let me quickly get started with the unboxing. I can't wait to unbox and show you what's inside this package. Super excited about this. There you go. As soon as you open it, we've got the phone at the top, comes nicely packed like this. And this is a Force Black edition, guys. Note 12 Turbo in the hands, and along with that you do get a couple of accessories. You get a 33 watt super fast charger included in the package, type C cable for charging, a SIM ejection tool, and you also get some paperwork including some Marvel stickers. You also get a free case in the package. It's a clear silicone case, good quality. And that's it, guys. Now let's head over to the second package, which is our exclusive case and screen protector for the phone. I've told you, right, this is like a Marvel edition case made specially for the Note 12 Turbo. You can't find this anywhere, only available with the collector's edition. So let me just cut this seal over here and show you what's inside. Okay, on the left you've got some instructions on how to install the screen protector, very useful. And there you go, guys, our much awaited Multiverse of Madness edition case for the Note 12 Turbo. Oh boy, that looks beautiful, right? Look at the quality. Very good quality case, and also looks quite tough and durable. Look at that honeycomb pattern on the inside. Very good quality, I can definitely say, and love the artwork at the backside. And this is the free screen protector you get in the package. So looks like you get two accessories, everything, guys. Two cases and two screen protectors with the phone. Now let's finally have a closer look at the phone and talk about the design and build quality. There you go, our brand new Note 12 Turbo from Infinity in the hands. That too, this is a Force Black edition. And here you go, this is how the phone looks like. Oh boy, this is actually quite slim and lightweight, guys. I was not expecting that. You've got a new design as well at the back side. We'll talk about the design in a moment. And look at the thickness, it's only 7.9 mm. Starting off from the front side, phone packs a 6.7-inch Full HD Plus 1080p AMOLED display, guys, with a teardrop sort of notch at the top side. And here you've got the selfie camera, which is a 16 megapixel camera with dual LED flash. And if you can observe, phone already has like a pre-installed screen guard. So you also have like a second screen guard in case this goes, haywire in some days. On the right side, you've got a couple of buttons which include a volume rocker and a power button with a built-in fingerprint reader. And that's it. Going to the top, there's nothing over here. And if you can observe, phone has like flat side frame, guys, pretty nice. To the left side, you've got a SIM card tray. I'll show you that at a later part. And on the bottom, you've got all the important stuff, which includes a type C port, a primary microphone, 3.5mm headphone jack that is there, and a down firing speaker. And there you go, this is how the phone looks from the backside. Beautiful design, guys. It's got something known as mystic matte finishing. That is what Infinix is calling. Let me just remove this sticker and give you a better look at the design of the phone. There you go, Infinix Note 12 Turbo Force Black edition, and kinda looks like deep purple black in certain angles. It's got this wavy pattern at the backside and has like a two-tone design, guys. You've got the Infinix branding on the bottom, love the matte finishing, and at the top you got like a reflective glass sort of design, and followed by the camera. And also look at the camera bump. Camera bump is very minimum on it, features triple camera setup. Primary one is a 50 megapixel camera, and others they haven't specified, so I'll have to power on the phone and then only I'll be able to talk about the cameras and their specs. And you do have like a quad LED flash just beside the camera. So that is it, our complete overview. And wait a second, I forgot to tell you the battery. Phone packs a 5000 mAh battery and supports 33 watt fast charger included in the package. Let me also put on the case and show you. So this is how our Infinix Marvel edition phone looks like, guys. Multiverse of Madness edition. Pretty nice. I love the feel in the hand. Anyways, I'll quickly set it up and then be right back to continue the video. Alright, I'm back. Our phone is all set up and good to go. And I've also set up this fingerprint reader. So let's quickly put that to a test and see how it performs. Okay. Hey, not bad, right? That's actually quite snappy. So as you can see guys, fingerprint reader was working well and accurate most of the time, and there you go. This is how the display on the phone looks like. It's got a 6.7 inch 1080p AMOLED display guys, and display looks very good from my initial impressions. We'll come to the display and talk about that in a moment. And apart from that, bezels are also quite thin guys, especially on the sides and the top, but on the bottom you do have a bit of chin, but again quite acceptable for this price point. It's a budget category phone, right? What I'll do is I'll quickly head over to the settings and show. And by the way, the phone runs on XOS guys, and the version is 10.6 I believe. And out of the box you have like Android version 12 guys running on it, so everything is like up to date on this thing. And coming to the storage and all that stuff, let me just quickly open that and show you. So this is the 128 GB variant, right? And out of the box, you get around 108 GB of usable space. 17 GB has already been occupied. And since this is XOS, you do have a bit of bloatware, which comes pre-installed from Infinix side only. So what I'll do is I'll quickly open up YouTube, play some video, and then we'll talk about the display and the sound quality. Okay, you guys saw the demo, right? What do you think? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. If you would ask me, initial impressions, display quality on this phone is very good. It's an AMOLED panel, right? So there's nothing less you can expect. 1080p resolution, good amount of detail, everything looks crisp and clear. Any sort of text or any sort of content looks pretty great, guys. Great device for like media consumption, especially if you watch like, Netflix or web series, these sort of stuff. You'll have like great fun on this display. Colors though just pop out on the screen guys, thanks to that AMOLED panel. And contrast levels are nice, black levels are also excellent, good dynamic range. On the overall, pretty good display for this price point. Only thing I felt is, since the brand went with an AMOLED panel, they're only giving you 60 Hz refresh rate. I really wish this phone had like 90 Hz or 120 Hz. That would have been insane. Again, this is a budget category phone, right? So you can either expect like a simple LCD display with high refresh rate or AMOLED panel with 60 Hz. This is the only combination most of the brands go for. So you'll have to settle down for something. And apart from that, talking about the sound quality is also quite impressive on this model, guys. It's got dual stereo speakers, right? So there's good amount of clarity, good audio and sound with minimum distortion, and output also quite loud and satisfactory. Now let me quickly tell you about the CPU and the performance you can expect on this phone. This particular model is powered by Helio G96, which is an octa-core CPU. It's a pretty decent CPU, guys. You can do like good gaming on this phone, not an issue at all. And apart from that, if you talk about the day-to-day usage and stuff, all the app openings, closings, everything seemed pretty smooth, fluidic, and transitions were also nice. Didn't face any sorts of lags or stutters. Again, I told you, right, this is only 60 Hz, so I wish it had like 90 Hz kind of smoothness. That is the only thing I'm missing. But apart from that, regular performance is pretty good. You can definitely do good gaming on this thing. You can play games like Asphalt 9, PUBG, BGMI, not an issue at all. We'll do the gaming, review and all that gaming tests in my separate video. This is not the time for that. This is just an unboxing and impressions kind of video, right? For a rough idea, if you want to know where does this CPU stand, well, Helio G96 can be compared like pretty close to Snapdragon 720G, guys. That sort of performance you can expect over here. And lastly, talking about the cameras, I've told you, right, it's got like a triple camera setup, 50 megapixel primary camera. So I did shoot a couple of pictures on this thing, and initial impressions were fine for this price point. Again, I'll have to shoot some more samples in different lighting situations and scenarios, and then only I'll be able to tell you about my thoughts and feedback on the camera. So you'll have to stay tuned for my full review video, guys. And in my full review, as usual, we'll be talking about the display in depth, we'll be talking about the CPU and performance, day-to-day usage, camera quality, and lastly battery life as well. Apart from these, if you have any other questions also, just let me know and I'll try to cover that in my second part. So that is pretty much it, guys. Time to talk about the pricing. So this is the Note 12 Turbo Edition phone, right? That too, this is the Marvel Studios Association Doctor Strange Multiverse of Madness Edition phone. So this phone will go on sale for around 14,999 rupees. But right now, Infinix is having like a couple of bank offers and discounts, guys. And with that, you can get this for around like 13,999 rupees. Links and all that details will be in the description box below. You can check it out there. So, what do you think about the phone, guys? Did you all like this Marvel's Collector's Edition unboxing? And by the way, which was your favorite Marvel accessory or collectible in the package? Let me know, and I'd love to read your thoughts. So that is pretty much it. Hope you all enjoyed watching this video. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more such awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.